Hello friends, I am Laneha Jansu and today I have got a super easy claw scratch or dried blood smears Halloween makeup tutorial for you. You only need 3 things to pull off this creepy look, and guess what? Even kids can do it, so let's jump right in. First, grab a fork. We'll be using the protruding side, not the curved side, just to be clear. This is our main tool for creating realistic claw marks. Now take a brown lipstick with muted red undertones. You might be wondering why brown lipstick? Well, it's perfect for that dried blood effect we're going for, and well, I don't own a red lipstick. Just pat the lipstick onto the fork until it's nicely coated. Here's the fun part. Place the fork against your skin and slide it down to create the claw scratch. Voila! A realistic claw mark in seconds. Don't worry if it looks too perfect at first, we'll rough it up a bit. Now, without washing the fork, grab a small brush and scrape off any leftover lipstick, putting the excess back in the container. Then, using what's left on the brush, lightly apply it to the scratch to give it a more natural, uneven, bloody look. We want it to feel natural, like a real wound. Next, take a brown or black mascara. I'm using brown. Wipe off the excess on the wand and from a distance lightly dab the mascara onto the wound. Less is more in this step. This will give depth and dimension to the scratch so it doesn't look flat. Using the same brush, blend the mascara into the scratch marks. Then take the fork again, press it over the wound like a stamp and drag it down from the middle. If you mess up, don't stress, just use the back of the fork and clean up the edges. For a more rugged, natural look, you can even diffuse the edges of the scratch by dragging the fork upwards. This will give the wound a jagged, natural appearance. And that's it! This quick and easy Halloween makeup look is perfect for anyone, even if you're a total beginner like me. What do you think of this claw scratch look? Will you be trying this out for Halloween? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my spooky tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!